In this video, we have money velocity is really the biggest idea that we're going to really talk about it, or the quantity theory of money. And this is the idea that we can kind of examine the relationship between price levels and the money supply and that sort of thing. And generally, we kind of say that it's part of a monetarist view of economics, of putting a primacy on the importance of monetary policy. So money velocity is the number of times a given dollar is spent in a given time. Typically, it's a year. And so we'd say, like, how many times does that dollar, or a dollar, a kind of typical dollar, get spent in a given time period? And in this case, we'll just say a year. The quantity theory uses money velocity to establish the relationship between the money supply and real GDP. So the quantity theory says M times V is equal to P times Y. And that's our next part, is what do these terms mean? M is the money supply, and we can kind of just leave that broadly stated. V is the money velocity. So if we multiply the money supply times the money velocity, in other words, the supply of money times how many times it's spent is going to equal to real GDP. Or actually, this is this real level of output in that sense. This is the nominal GDP. Excuse me, I had a brain fart there. P equals the price levels. Y equals the output levels, and P times Y is equal to the nominal GDP. And so that's the idea of, if we take the output times the current price levels, we just get the nominal GDP. So this implication is that if we increase the money supply and velocity is relatively constant, then we increase nominal GDP. Now the trick is to know that real output, or real GDP, doesn't change. The output variable, Y, stays relatively constant. So the implication is that if supply of money increases, then the price levels will increase. So it kind of explains the quantity of money relating out to price levels. So hopefully this helps you. See you next time.